Hey, what's up, tubers and tubes? It's me, Alex. Today I'm going to be making a banging milkshake. Chocolate milkshake with no sugar. Okay, so this is how you make it. Thank you for over 800 subs, and then I'm going to show you how to get down and with a healthy drink for today. Okay, so first we'll start off with the blender. We need a blender here, so let me get the Toshiba blender. It's up here, so I just got to get it. Okay, here it is. And basically now we're just going to use a few ingredients. We're just going to use this Hershey's Cocoa unsweetened, and then we're going to get the milk here. So the milk we're using is called the Meiji lactose free 0% fat. Okay, so that's what I use. Okay, and basically now we need the ice. So I think I'm going to be using about maybe, let's start off with, we're going to put the milk in here first. Once we put the milk in here, we got to put the whatchamacallit. Oh, I see a little something in there. I see like a little ant in there. So let me rinse that off. There's like a little fly in there. Okay. Okay. Let me see if he came out. Okay, yeah, it came out. There was like a little fly in there, but that's fine. That's called protein, so that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Don't worry. Okay, it's already out. Okay, so this is how we're gonna make it. So I'll probably just do like a 5 or 10 minute vid here. So just stay with me, bear with me for a minute. Just let me put this on here. Oh gosh, I'm trying to clip it. Okay, I just clipped it. Okay. Okay, first step first, we're going to put the milk here, the ice. So let me get my ice cubes here. So here are the ice cubes. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put 8 cubes because I really don't know. The internet says like 10, but I'll put 8 for now. I think that should do it. Now you need to put 2 large scoops of chocolate because it's basically going to be like a chocolate. They say in Thai, chocolate bun in Thai. Okay, here we go. Because if I go to Amazon, it's like 60 baht, so I'm saving 60 baht right now. Okay, so there's 1 scoop of chocolate. And here's 2. Now this is going to be a no sugar, so I could put honey. You could put honey or sugar in here. If you want to make it sweet, you can put 2 spoons of honey. But mine's going to be no sugar, okay? Okay, and that's about it. And as you can see, my chocolate's almost finished, but I have another stock, so I like to keep stock. Okay, and the milk, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to be drinking today. This is my glass. Now it's just blended all together, and that's it. Let's see how it's gonna go today. There's the milk, finished. Okay, we're like at a 75. I think that says 750 maybe milliliters. I think, yeah, it's 1,500 is the max. So hopefully that's gonna be enough for my drink today, and that's it. Okay, now we're gonna close it. And I'm going to show you how to get down and dirty. This is going to be a banging chocolate milkshake. You ready? I'm going to turn it on. Okay, here we go. Okay, and that's it. So now, okay, I blended that for like a minute. That should be enough. Now let's put that in the cup and let me taste it, okay? Yep, just like if you go to a shop, it's just as I expected. The quality is there. So that's it, guys. That's the chocolate punch. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and please subscribe to more episodes. And thank you for following me on social media. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm just going to be putting this in the glass, so just give me a second here. I'm not too sure if I have like a hole it's going to be full or not, so let's see what we got here. It seems like a full. It might be over the limit a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Yes, I just got a little bit, that's fine. I'll just eat that. I'll put it in another cup. So yeah, that's about it, tubers and tubettes. That's my drink for today, and I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and thank you for over 800 subs. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of my chocolate milkshake with no sugar. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. Happy Father's Day.